question. What would an herbalist need in a first aid kit, since I live in Hurricane Valley, New Orleans? So there's something I think everybody needs, like some salve in their first aid kit, or some oil for like aches and pains, some propolis tincture as like a wound dressing. I mentioned that earlier. Probably echinacea belongs in all first aid kits. But another thing to think of is like, if this is especially for your family, what is the stuff that you need? So if you are a person who gets headaches under stress, you need headache stuff in your first aid kit. If you tend to get sinus infections or upper respiratory issues, you want to have something specific for that. So I always want to think like, what do I get? What does my family get? If we need to have like a bug out bag that has a first aid kit in it, I need not only the cover all the bases stuff, I need the stuff that is for things that I and my family have to deal with. Seven Song on his website, he has a bunch of really phenomenal first aid resources. And on YouTube, there's a whole herbal first aid series that you can watch for free. And he's great, and it's a fun watch. So that's definitely a resource to check out.